everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Sorry I look like this. I don't even know what my hair is doing, but surprise, we're leaving for New York right now for fall break. Literally have all my stuff, all of our luggage, and yeah, well, give updates in the car. We need to get Starbucks and all that, so we'll update you. Had to make a stop. We out here ordering from the little, what'd you get? A Big Mac meal.
Yeah,
I'm getting a quarter pounder with a fry and a McFlurry. Good morning. Hi. Day one. About to go get bagels. Sorry, didn't vlog last night. All I was doing was sleeping in the back of the car. So that's it. But yes, I'll update you when we get to the bagel. I'm literally about to munch it. Like the whole thing is just gonna.
I'm so excited.
Okay, see you then.
Here they are. Look how ready they are. Look at this bad boy. Yeah, more. Julia got the same thing.
Huh. Going to the train now. We're on the train now, if you can't tell. It's really just us on this car, it feels like. I saw another woman, but... That makes me laugh. Just did some shopping at Real and now we're just walking. We're on Wooster Street, I think. So there's like a Gucci and a Celine and a Moschino right there. So living our best life. We are at, oh look at my nails, don't actually. What is this place called? I don't know.
I have no idea. I don't remember.
Anyway, I got a matcha with whole milk and cinnamon. And I should have gotten soy milk, but it's fine. And then this is their bottled water. It's so pretty. And I got a chai, and Julia also got an almond or matcha. I can't remember. Anyway. Now we're in like their lounge area, and I don't know if you can see behind me, they have like a complimentary coffee cafe in the store. Like that's all the store, and then we're in the cafe on the second floor. And I'm getting dinner, trying to take pictures of our meals. And I got ravioli, which is amazing. Julia got buffalo mozzarella pizza, but it's kind of like a margarita style. And I got ketchup, I think.
And it looks really good.
Boring, but it's about to be
Yours
so
actually
good.
looks really good. It looks really creamy.
Yeah.
So good.
We're now walking in the rain to Penn Station to go back to Long Island. But it's pretty miserable carrying this bag. There's the bottom of it. It's about to give out. We already had one bag give out, so thriving. Good morning. Okay, it's day 2. I need to tuck that in, but whatever. We'll be doing outfit checks promptly, but we're just waiting for the train again. Here's a kind of look at our outfit, but so excited. We're going to Bubby's.
Bubbies?
Not Bubby's. I called it Bubby's, like with a P.
Bubbies. Yeah, she's called it Bubbies.
It's indeed not that. So I'll update you when we get there. We're on the train. We're on the 2. Okay, we're at brunch. Got our first meal. I don't know. Round. We got these biscuits. This is what it looked like before. It came in 4, but we already ate one. And they have this homemade jam. And I don't know if their butter's homemade, but it was good. It's just so good.
like the butter is homemade. It like
Yeah. We're in one of those like outside situations. It has a heater. Feels so good. I feel like a lizard once again.
And I forget what street it's at.
Oh, wait. I don't know if I finished showing our breakfast, but we're shopping now. And hopefully we'll do a fit check soon, but we need to find. We can do it right there, but. Should we? I don't know. Kind of. Whatever. But now we're going to the Zara, hopefully, if we can find it. Third matcha of the trip from Joe and the Juice. This is a vanilla iced matcha latte, and I think these are vanilla beans in it. I don't know, it looks good. Beautiful. So, stay tuned. Oops, it's on the straw. Oh, this lid is so weird.
Oh, like this on ginger.
I know, I don't like that. I like the taste of like, but I don't like. Yeah, like I didn't like that. Like ginger.
Okay.
Like Asian. Like
Yeah,
stuff
yeah.
I love.
Wow, I needed this. It's like good light.
I know, I was like, kind of lightheaded.
On the Starbucks scale, 7 out of 10. So we're back at the bagel place, and this will make up for today. My eyes are watering crazy. We went to dinner last night. We got sushi, and you can see my outfit on my Instagram because I will be posting. But today I got a sesame bagel with cream cheese and lox on it, which, if you don't know, is like smoked salmon. But I'm so excited trying to unwrap it so y'all can see. But here she is. Yep.
Oh my gosh, look at these donuts with the mallet.
Oh my gosh. It's like the Kim Kardashian.
Yeah. I love those cupcakes though.
Oh, golden hour. We're at the beach. It's not your normal beach, but it's super cute. Ooh, it's a little windy, but got our sushi. I'm having a Coke. But it's so pretty, and the weather is like perfect fall weather. Cute. Look how pretty these flowers that Julia got are. So cute. This is it. Look at it. It's so clear and pretty. Not like the water's clear, but the day is clear. The sky is clear. And all the boats out there look so cute. And there's some sand. I've never been to a beach like this before. We're at Haagen Dazs. I have so many videos on this vlog, so I apologize if you've made it this far. Good job, because I don't know, it's just gonna be a long one. I'm gonna do a separate video of everything I bought in New York City. So if you want to see that, comment or give this video a thumbs up. But yeah. Okay, so it is our last morning. My hair looks crazy. But we're just getting breakfast. I have my whipped cream and hot chocolate here. Anna has the same thing. But I'm just gonna go ahead and end the vlog here because it's already gonna be so long. But thank you so much for watching, and I'm gonna put a haul of everything I got in a separate video, so stay tuned for that. Okay, bye!